Chapter 5. Okay, everybody, this is that moment. You know when you're watching a TV show or a movie and everyone's happy and it looks like the characters got what they want and they're about to be successful at whatever their goal was. And you're like, I am now halfway through this TV show or the movie. I think something bad's going to happen. That like happy celebration scene in the middle. That's what you're going to write. You're going to make it super fun. It looks like I'm about to get the jewel that I was trying to get, or I'm about to defeat the antagonist, or whatever it is. Or maybe the character's gone to a new school and she's made all these friends and everything's wonderful, but you're halfway through the book. So we know something's going down and it's not going to be good. Okay, so that's what you're doing for this particular chapter, for chapter 5 in a 12-chapter book. Chapter 6 is the twist, the turn, the shock. So this is building up to that. Remember, again, we're working on opposites. You have success, you have failure. Success, failure. This is the happy success scene that then leads into the failure or the disaster or some kind of big shift in the story. Okay? All right, you've got this, everybody. I want you to brainstorm now and then start writing your chapter.